To install a Lumary Smart Retrofit downlight, turn off the switch to the light. Pull down the old light and release the clips. Unplug the wire connectors, then unscrew the socket pigtail. Screw the new socket pigtail into the light socket. Plug the two connectors together and push the light into the can with a slight clockwise rotation. If it ever needs to be removed, you would pull down with a counterclockwise rotation. Download the Lumary app to your phone and set up an account. Add your light and connect to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. The app can adjust the white color temperature from 2700 to 6500 Kelvin, and it can be set to millions of colors.